This is the story Max the Grouch, written by Joyce Mallory and illustrated by Lane Epstein. This story is going to have our owl sound spellings in it. O-U, owl, like in grouch. You can follow along in your book. After I've read the story, then you're going to read your book as well and highlight the sound spellings. Page 3. Pat hugged her hound, Max. But Max was a grouch. What will make Max happy? Maybe Max needs a new doghouse, said Mom. But Max was still a grouch. How about a pound of dog bones? Asked Dad. Dad set a large bone on the ground. Max spit the bone out of his mouth. He made a loud sound. Max was still a grouch. How about a long walk? Asked Pat. She and Max walked around the park. Now Max was a tired grouch. Pat went to feed Max. Look, Mom, Pat whispered. Max found a mouse pal. Max was finally happy. Now you're going to reread the story and go through and highlight your owl sound spelling, O-U, in the story. And I have listed those words in the top box. You will also highlight the owl sound spelling and read these words. After you've read the story and you've read the words, then you're going to come back and answer the questions. What does Dad sit on the ground? Where do Pat and Max walk? What does Max find that makes him happy? You will answer those 3 questions in complete sentences. Be sure to use your best handwriting. Then at the bottom, you're going to do ABC order with these owl words. The first word is ouch, grouch, ouse, house, ouse, mouse, around, and sound. You can replay the video if you need help as you're rereading your story and highlighting your sound spellings. Please do your personal best.